Hey girl, vibing with Trena. Make some fritters. Yes, Jamaican fritters. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you how to make today. It's very quick and easy. All right. Take notes. All right. Don't forget, like, share, and this is what I mixed up to show you what I'm making with the Jamaican fritters. So I'm showing you guys how to make a Jamaican fritters. Okay. This is all the one and only egg. Okay, guys. So I have a pot on the stove. Okay. With the oil. Okay. So I have the pot on the stove with some oil. All right. It's hot. Okay. So this is the, the flour, the mixture to make your fritters. I'm using this spoon. Yeah, look. There you go. So we have our fritters. There you go. Okay, so all we're gonna do is take a spatula and you turn. And you turn it. Yes, just like that. Okay. And let it sit there and fry on the other side. Okay? Okay. That we flipped. Right? Okay. So this is our fritters. Okay, guys. That we flipped. Okay. So your fritters look like frying. What do you guys think? Yes. That's what your fritters look like. Nice and delicious.